Alrighty, folks, we're just getting set up here, so give me a moment as I try to get this going as well. Give me a moment.
Shavings? No, savings.
You can't skip this Geico.
Oh, good Lord.
Because
Okay.
It's already over. Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Turn this off here. All right. And again, we'll get started here momentarily. Connecting. Okay. And there's an ad going there. And I'm going to grab some coffee here while that ad runs. I'll be right back with my coffee. All right. Get our headphones on here. Turn that down here. Hopefully everybody's doing well. And so, without any further ado, let us get started with another episode of Chainsaw Warrior. We got through, I think, about not too far into the second deck last time, and hopefully this time we'll get a little further. So I'll just click New Game here. Okay, again, hard. So that seemed to... Okay, we saw this. Skip comic. We saw all that. That's just telling us, hey, there's these creatures attacking. We have an hour to defeat the darkness before they drop the nuclear bomb to defeat it as well. So a little bit of coffee. And let us create our Chainsaw Warrior. All right, so we're going to roll here. Let's see what we got for endurance. Again, another good roll. Excellent. 16, not as good as last time. We had 18 last time, but that's fine. Okay. And here's for wounds. Nice. That's better than last time. I think we only had like 10 last time. So hand to hand. This is where we really rocked. All right, 11, not too bad. Marksmanship. That's a lot better than last time. So we got +1 there. Reflexes. Oh, that's not good. 7 is not good. We had, I think we hit the max last time. It was like 10. So, all right, here's this die for our skill. Looks like hiding. Your skill is hiding. You're an expert at hiding in the shadows and blending into the background when danger threatens. Whenever you encounter an enemy, you may try to hide from it, and on a roll of 6, succeed. Nice. That could help us speed along. Equipment points. Come on. Oh. Crud. I have... How many points? 3 points. So we're going to go with the hand-to-hand weapon. one gun. Oh, this is, man, hopefully we find some stuff along the way. And should we go with devices or clothing? Devices or clothing, guys? What do you think? I am going to go... Man, we'll go device. Oh, we can't even. So we've got our 3 points. We've got a gun and a hand-to-hand weapon. Equip items. Oh, wait. Okay, continue. Next. What did we end up with? Okay, we have 60 minutes. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, we know all this. Okay, let's see what we have. We have a timed grenades. We have 2 of those. An automatic rifle. Oh, and our hand-to-hand is a timed grenade. That's it. Oh, son of a gun. This is not good, guys. I don't think this is going to be a very long play on this one today. All right, so back. So here we go. Going up the stairs. Clear. Excellent. Next. Next. Okay. May attempt to escape from some enemies. Next. Let's see. We can try to hide. So on a roll of 6, we hide. We didn't hide. We've been spotted. I'm not going to use my grenades just yet on some rats, so we'll shoot them with the automatic rifle. Roll lower than a 7, which we did. Roll higher than a 4. Excellent. Rats are dead. Next. Moving down the corridor, and we see the meat machine. Gives 1 to 3 wounds. If it hits you, takes 1 permanently from either your reflexes or your hand-to-hand chosen at random. Okay, well, we definitely need to kill this thing. That's a hideous thing. Okay. Roll more than an 8. Man. And he took 1 from our reflexes. Try our lucky shot. Come on. 2 missed. Weapon smashed. Oh, this is... Escape. You've been wounded. You take an extra wound. Oh, good lord. Okay, try to... Well... Hand to hand. More than 11. Man. Yeah, I am not going to last long here. Oh, that's right, because my... Wow. Okay. Oh, so far not very good. A trap. I don't have wire cutters. Takes 1 minute to crawl through. That wasn't too bad. Good. Next. Good. Suddenly a zombie staggers towards you. Hide. Been spotted. I don't have anything to hand to hand. Roll more than a 4, I can do that. Hand to hand. Roll more than a 6. There we go. Next. Another trap. Reflexes. Cave in. Come on. Have to roll under a 6 to avoid the trap. Good job. Oh, excellent. Okay. Surprise attack by a chaos agent. Go straight to hand to hand. More than a 5. Come on. There we go. Yep. Okay, what do I have? Anything? I still have my grenades. No gun, just some grenades. That is it. That's all I've got this time. Okay, down the hallway. Nothing. Good. Next. Stairs. Zombie. Try to hide. Been spotted. Hand to hand. Okay, good. Rats. I'm not going to use my hide. There we go. Next. Empty. Next. All right, next. Good, good. Keep moving. Chaos agent. Attacks with the... Let's see if we can hide from him. No. Hand to hand. Roll more than a 6. Come on now. Great. I've been infected with venom. From now on, each time you encounter a venom-infected enemy, there's a 1 in 3 chance the infection will spread, moving your venom marker along one place. If it equals your endurance, you will be consumed and turned into a zombie. Nice. Try lucky shot. No, I don't want to use up my... Don't want to use up my laser gun, because that's the only way I can kill the darkness guy. Hand to hand. Roll more than a 9. Come on. Down to 5 life. Hand to hand. More than a 5. Come on, we can do that. There we go. Now radiation as well. Okay, next. This guy's tough. More than a 9. Come on. So we tied. So more than an 8. Come on. Dang it. Yeah, this has been bad luck all around. More than an 8. Come on. Oh. Oh my gosh. Nope. Oh. My hand-to-hand, we're at -2. Folks, I think this is going to be the... Oh! Too bad. Well. Use the grenade. Alrighty, I should have done that a long time ago. I didn't realize the time grenade did that. Boy, just barely on that. More than a 4. Come on. There we go. Boy, each one of these is taking a... Oh, that's right. He's got the old venom on him, doesn't he? More than a 9. This may be it. More than 11. I think this is going to be it, folks. Yep. There. All right, you're tough, but the challenge has proven tougher. As the last of your energy seeps through your many wounds, New York will soon follow you into oblivion. Well, there you go, folks. Score 155. And I tell you, oh, hi, Liazor. How are you? Thank you so much for joining us here today. It's good seeing you. I know. But, you know what? Why don't we go ahead and give this another shot today. And we will we'll start over here. That run was pretty brutal. We didn't fare very well on that run. So all right, so we'll try her again. And again, folks, we'll skip the comic. For those of you that did not see last time, it describes a portal opening up from another dimension and some evil creatures trying to come through. Our job is to defeat the main bad guy, the main source of darkness on the other side. Now there's 2 decks you have to go through, 54 cards. The first deck you got to get all the way through, and then he could be behind any one of the cards in the second deck. We didn't even get close this time on that. So let us create our warrior here. Oh, not very good. 10 is not very good there. Oh, looks like we're getting a call. And so give us one moment. We'll be right back. We'll be right back, folks. All right, well, that was Mrs. Turwinkle. And I guess we're having egg rolls for dinner, which is delicious. I can't wait. Okay, so let's get back to the stream here, shall we? And again, not very good on our endurance there. So, yeah. So not very good on the old endurance, but let's confirm that. Wounds. Hopefully this will be higher. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Hand to hand. That's got to be... Oh, not the best. 9's okay, though. It's kind of middle of the road. No pluses on our marksmanship. And our reflexes, 8. That's, I think... Was that worse than last time? I think it was. Crap. Okay, here's for our main skill. And it's marksman, so we got to add 1 to our marksmanship. So that's a +1 now, so that helps. And this has got to be a high roll. Come on. 3's all right, I guess. All right, let's see what we got here. We have 5 points. So 1 hand-to-hand, 1 gun. That leaves us 2 points. So let's go with 1 device and 1 clothing. Oh, 7 reflexes last time, so we're a little better. Okay, so it's all random items. We won't know until we get in there what we got. Okay, so let's see. A poison needle. Used only once, takes half of 1d6 rounds for your opponent to die, during which time you must fight as normal. Does not work on the darkness guy. Okay, not very good. Shotgun, nice. Like the shotgun. Our device is flash bombs, and our clothing is a helmet. Zombies always bite to the head. You can't get venom infected by zombies, no matter how often you're wounded. Nice. That's going to help us out quite a bit. Quite a bit. So, all right. Well, here we go. And again, it's nice seeing all of you folks here. I appreciate you guys coming to visit as we go along here. And... you know, as we battle our way through the zombies. Oh, right off the bat. Nice. Okay. Radiated right away. So let's shoot this thing with our shotgun. Let's roll under an 8. And didn't. So hand to hand. It's too great. Great. Dang nabbit, right off the bat. Okay, lucky shot. The old shotgun. Always do that. Shot myself. Wonderful. Hand to hand. Come on, more than 9. Let's go. Nice, finally. Oh, that was not a good start. Radiated and lost 2 life. Not a good start. Okay. There we go. That's better. Next. Trap. Wire cutters I do not have. Shoot the zombie. Under 8. Good. A little higher than a 4 to hit him. Done. Nice. Okay, next. Really? Good lord. Okay. Come on now. Lower than an 8. Lower than an 8. Higher than a 10. Come on. Can we escape? Nope. Boy, we are just getting chewed up in this first round. Hand to hand. Use item. No, I'm not going to use my poison needle. Or did I? I guess I did. Okay, great. More than a 10. Come on. Boy. Lucky shot. Please don't shoot myself. Ah. Alright, we are, again, pretty hurt. Pretty hurt here, guys. Clear, good. So equipment or weight. I don't have any, like, health packs, which would be nice. Locked door. I can smash the door open with my weapon. That's what I'm going to do. Roll higher than a 4. Good. Next. Rat pack. Lower than an 8. Come on. Good. Higher than a 4. Good. Excellent. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nice. Good. Next. Excellent. Oh, good. This is a good one. We could really move far ahead here. Nice. Excellent. Okay, we're going to bypass all this stuff. The only thing that's bad about this is if you bypass an equipment card. And then, oh, thank goodness we bypassed the meat machine guy. This really helped out quite a bit. We're almost halfway through the first deck here. Okay, zombie, let's shoot him in the face. Lower than an 8, come on. Or equal to. Now higher than a 4. Good. Nice. Trap. Oh, the floorboards. Test your reflexes. You fall through. Come on now. Under an 8. There we go. Good job. Good job. A zombie. One last shot with the shotgun. Okay, the shotgun is empty, so now we have to kind of hand-to-hand everything. More than a 5, I think we can do that. Okay, we're officially... Okay, what do we got? Razor wire? Crap. 3 minutes. Dang nabbit. That time really becomes critical as well as you go along here. Chasm. I don't have the rope. Let's have climbing skill or the rope launcher. You must backtrack, escape the building. After re-equip, you'll have to start the current... No. Escape the building. Please don't tell me I had to start all over again. Take you 3 more house cards before you manage to escape. Once you do, you'll have to... Oh, no. This, if that's... Oh, my gosh. More than a 5. Dang nabbit. Well, more than a 7. Come on now. Oh, I should... Okay, I've got him now, I hope. Another trap. Oh, I don't want to backtrack. I'm gonna have to use the laser lance here. Okay, you've escaped the building. You've lost 3 minutes, recovered 6 wounds, and have 5 equipment points to spend. You'll automatically be given the... It is making me start all over. Oh, man. 5 points. Oh, I still have my shotgun. Okay, so another device, another piece of clothing. Still have 2 points left. Let's go with another device and another piece of clothing. Okay. Close that. Whoa! Sorry about that. Okay. What do we have here? Shotgun. Didn't I get all that stuff? Flash bomb? I thought I did. Back. Oh, equip items. Continue. Next. Time grenades. Acid. Anti-rad pills. And some goggles. And the steel gloves. Okay. But we're all the way back at the beginning, which is very disappointing. Okay. Oh, I didn't refill my shotgun. Oh, dang it. I'm going to use the time grenade on this guy. Yep. Ah, crud. It's very disappointing. Roll more than a 5. Come on. Ah. More rats. Okay. All right. There we go. There we go. All right, cup of coffee here before we go through this next room. Oh, what do I... Okay, here we go. Next room. Is my laser lance recharged? It is. Except for darkness. I could use the acid. Let me try that. Lower than an 8, please. Son of a gun. More than a 7. Come on. More than a 9. There we go. Ah. Zombie. More than a 3. Punch him in the face. Dang it, come on. Punch him in the face. Wow. Wow. They do not... Yeah. No kidding. The game suddenly hates me. That's right. Okay, finally. Jeepers. Another zombie. Okay. Punch him in the face. Next. I need shotgun shells. Next. And we're quickly running out of time. Unless I get another one of those, you know, skip this many rooms. Just needed more than a 3. And each time you have to fight something, it takes 30 seconds off the clock. And so, lock door, use item the acid, yes. There we go. Shoot it with the laser lance. 2 locked doors in a row. And to hand these guys. There we go. Okay, I have my goggles. Luckily I picked up some goggles so it doesn't affect my hand-to-hand. He's accompanied by 2 zombies. We'll take him out first. Hopefully. More than a 4. Come on now. There we go. And now his 2 zombie friends. Oh, come on. So close, but not close enough. More than a 6. There we go. And his other buddy here. Again, and this is all delaying me. We're down to 28.5 minutes left. Oh. What item do I have? Time grenade. Of course, 2 minutes. Gone. And I think I'm... One more use here of this thing. I can't use it again. Zombie. Come on, more than a 7, please. There we go. Got him, got him, got him. Oh. As compared to the other one, this one's taken a bit here. I'm taking a beating, actually. Wow, okay. It's having mercy on me for a little bit here, anyway. No zombies. Oh, here we go. Come on now. Well, 6 is not too bad. Bypass the zombie. Again, I don't want to bypass... Oh, good. Bypass the razor wire. And equipment. What I'd like is some shotgun shells. There we go. Take a clip. My shotgun. Reload. Shotgun. Okay, so my shotgun should be reloaded. It is. Excellent. But again, we are running dangerously close to out of time. Now again, once we get to that other deck, we can have a chance. He could be after the first card on that second deck. So come on, lower than an 8. Equal 2, that's good. Okay, and higher than a 4, excellent. Floorboards again. Come on. Equal or lower than an 8. There we go. Shoot him in the face. Hand more than a 4. Come on. Ah, come. Dang nabbit. Hand to hand. Come on. More than a 4. Oh, look at this guy. Shoot him in the face. Higher than 4, please. Thank you. Now we're just... I'm going to kind of save some shotgun shells for some of these bigger monsters. 15 minutes. Cave in. Oh, man. Come on. Under 8. Under 8. Under 8. Thank you. Woo! Okay, shoot him in the face. Dang nabbit. More than a 6. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah, again, we're under 15 minutes. I do have acid, right? Can't use my thing, so we're going to have to... Down to 13 minutes. Surprise attack, hand to hand with this guy. Come on. More than 5. Let's go, let's go. Nicely done. All right. Definitely tell... 6 or under. Come on. 5 wounds. Lost my time grenades. Spiked pit. Equal to or under 4. And just like that, folks. 380. Not too bad. Not as good as yesterday. My 455 didn't get to the second deck. Spiked pit, mines, razor wires, nets. Holy smokes. Alrighty. Well, we tried twice today. We failed twice in spectacular fashion, I might add. And so, you know what? We will come back a little bit later tonight, and we'll try something else. We'll think about what game we're going to play, and you know, we'll see what we will end up doing. So we'll be back in a little bit. And so for now, go eat some dinner, do what you got to do, and then come on back, and we'll have some fun. And so take a break, and we will be back in a bit. I'll post it up on Twitter and get it out there for you folks to see what we're doing next and when. Like I said, it'll be sometime this evening, probably in an hour or so. And so, again, go have some dinner. I'm going to go do the same, maybe get the laundry done, and we'll be back.